हरि ओम तत्सत्। ओम चैतन्यं शाश्वतं शान्तं व्योमातीतं निरञ्जनं नादबिन्दुकलातीतं तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। In our episode 1, we discussed how to manage stress and strain. Now we will discuss whether a person gets rid of the problem for which he is committing suicide, and secondly, what are the consequences he faces after the suicide. What happens to him, whether he goes to heaven or hell or somewhere else. Let's discuss. I would prefer to start the discourse by saying that during my 20s, I had also attempted to end life. But by the grace of God, I could not, and now discourse upon spiritual matters in front of you. Believe me, I am now blessed with my mother Bhagavati and Lord Jagannath. Of course, my Sadasat Guru, that is, the Guru of previous birth, is helping me in my sadhana. Firstly, this universe is created by the God on the principle of give and take, which is called as Runanubandh in Vedic language. Before birth, we knew that we have to requite and face such situations amongst others, and in fact we had architectured own body to face such situations during the fetus stage in the womb of our mother. This being a separate subject, we will discuss later in sex education episode. Let us first see whether by suicide the problem gets solved. The answer to this question is given by Bhagavan Shiva to Chandra in Brahma Vaivarta Puran. Deha tyagena he vascha karma bhogo nanasyati prayaschitat na sandeho hyastameva bhavishyati. O son, by ending this body, a person does not destroy his or her earlier deeds, that is karma. The deeds prarabdha can only be set, that is diminishes, through atonement or penance. It means that resorting to suicide does not end the problem one was facing. The same problem remains as it is pending and to be endured in some other rebirth with the same person at the same time and age, with the creation of a retrospective situation for the person resorting to suicide. To answer the second question, suicide is not a death. There is a distinction between death and killing oneself. Death is natural, whereas to kill the self is artificial, and killing someone or self is a heinous crime. The Shastras say that it is a cardinal principle of every creature to meet the death only when its immediate rebirth or consequences are decided. And for rebirth, or for heaven, or for hell, the Jivatma gets a temporary body called as Ardhadahik, which works like a vessel to carry our soul, the subtle body along with its limbs, the karmas, the temperaments and behaviors, which is called as Swabhav or DNA, knowledge we have gained, and the wealth we have given as dhan, that is gift. But in the case of suicide, this Ardhadahik Sharir is not provided as that Jivatma goes straight to the hell, Nark, and never comes back till the destruction of this earth, Pralaya. Bhagavan Shiv says to Bhagavati Uma, this is contained in Mahabharata. Kamat krodhat bhayat vapi yadi chet santyajet tanum so nantam narakam yati atmaham trutva karanat. O Devi, if a person kills himself due to desires, anger or fear, he proceeds to hell for an unlimited period, that is up to the destruction of the earth or universe as per his or her sins. Secondly, the funeral ceremony of the dead body of the person who commits suicide need not be undertaken, as the Jivatma need not require an Ardhadehic body, as he or she remains as a preta forever. Similarly, the family members need not adhere to ritual impurity, that is called as asauch, for the days applicable to them. After getting news of suicide, they simply take a bath which will purify them. Yajnavalkya Smriti says, Atmatyaginyo na sauchadaka bhajanaha. अतस्तन्मरणे सपिंडै रुदकदानादि न कार्यमित्येत प्रतिपादनम परम वचनम. Therefore, it is my earnest advice to all concerned not to even think to commit suicide, as your after-death life shall be destroyed forever. You will never get a rebirth till the pralaya. On the other hand, the cause of your death remains intact, and after pralaya, when you take a bath as a human being, again you have to go through the same situation and the same pain, same distress through the same person. Have patience, have faith on the God, do good works, distance yourself from the rogue elements and evil persons, and wait for proper time to come. May God help you. For the sake of making the episode compact, the proofs from various Dharma Granthas are not being quoted here, but the full script is available in our website appearing over the scroll. If somebody wants to read or to make use, it can be read or downloaded from the given website. An episode on the unsung facets of Hindu marriages would be presented in parts very soon. You should listen to that episode. If you are suffering from your conjugal relationship, you will feel relaxed after getting knowledge from the episode. Hari Om Tat Sat.